The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding.
Hi, today let's learn table tennis with Coach Sun Hyeong. He is a professional table tennis coach in China, ex-coach of Lin Yunru.
Lesson 5. Find a good rhythm, space, and distance. Translated by Emrithich. So, for example, if my movement is very standard, you will eventually face a situation where you need to step up. You need to play against an opponent, so you need to do some on-table training. However, when practicing, every ball comes at you. You need to understand that. In real match situations, a person is not a machine. Every ball that comes your way will always have slight variations. So what issue does this create? It's about finding the right contact point. Finding the contact point sounds simple, but there are many key aspects to it. You need rhythm. You also need a good sense of distance. These three elements are crucial. A good rhythm looks like this. Let me demonstrate. These three balls demonstrate a very good sense of rhythm. This is systematic and professional training. A very common issue is that even after mastering standard movements, you may still struggle with ball contact. Often, players just completely miss the ball. Right. Now, what happened in this demonstration? I didn't hit the ball at the optimal moment. The timing wasn't accurate. Let's take rallying as an example. In a rally, the key point is the second bounce. Let me give you an example. After the ball lands on the table, the late rising phase is the second point. So when we rally, we aim for the second bounce. Whether it's rallying or pushing, we always aim for the late rising phase. Has a great training method. First, don't use a racket. We divide it into two steps. First, catch the ball with your body. If you can catch the ball, it proves you've found the right spot. Once you find the right spot, then we move to step 2. Let's go. A key mistake is waiting too long for the ball. You must actively reach and interact with the ball. So always remember, use your body to adjust to the right timing. For example, after finding the right spot, absorb the ball with your body. Use your legs and waist. Let your waist guide your hands to strike. Control is the hardest part of table tennis. Even simple rallies aren't as easy as they seem. It looks effortless, but it has multiple steps. Every table tennis technique starts from rallying. It requires 2 steps. Let me demonstrate. Absorb, then return. You will notice that Coach Sun uses this effective method. Right. Now, Sun Yan will demonstrate with a racket. First, I absorb the ball, then absorb, then return. Absorb, then return. Many students often struggle to find the right contact point. This is a crucial auxiliary training method. First, position yourself correctly. Catch the ball first.
屁股理论往后支撑，对，
Right.
先接住，走，对，
Catch it. And remember, don't resist the ball's movement.
那孙教练主要是给大家讲一下，那么我们之前都有学过这种徒手的动作，比如说我这个动作做得很标准，很标准，那么你终将会面临一个你需要上台，你需要跟对手打球，对吧？那么你需要去一个上台训练，咱们从最简单的多球训练开始，对，多球训练有一定的容错率，但是呢，它可以练到每一个球过来，其实你要知道，不管是在训练中，还是以后的实战对抗中呢，对面站的始终是人，所以说人不是机器啊，他每一个球过来，即使是孙教练告诉你我都喂到这个点，它终将呢还是会有一些微小的偏差，那么这也产生一个什么问题，就是找点的问题。其实找点说起来两个字非常简单，但它里面有一个很多重要的环节是什么？时间的感觉，就你得有节奏感，那么你还得有空间感，那么你还得有距离感，这三个大家都要非常注意。所以说，经常来讲，你们会看到一个好的击球、好的节奏感是这样的。首先给你们示范一下。对，那么这三个球呢是非常好的一个节奏感，这是建立在孙教练有经过系统专业的训练。那么还有一种最常见的状况就是什么？大家在学习了这个很规范的动作以后呢，会产生一个什么？球过来我没有管，我只顾着做自己动作，那么永远是经常会对不上点，或者说打不上球。那么给你们示范一下是这种状况。对，那么给你们示范的这几个球就是什么？我动作是标准的，但是我的时间点没有掌握在一个非常正确、非常合理的一个范围。那么好，咱们以对攻为标准为一个例子啊。对攻其实找的是一个第二点，第二点是什么？上升期。给你们举一个例子啊，比如说，来给我一个球啊，对，这个球落台以后上来是第一点，对，那么到这上升前期是第一点，上升后期是第二点，最高点是第三点，下降点是第四点。对，咱们要找点，所以说咱们在对攻中呢，我们要找的是第二点，不管是对攻还是对推，咱们找的是上升后期第二点。那么孙教练现在有一个非常好的办法，教大家去学习如何正确的找到点。首先我们不要用拍子，咱们把拍子去掉，以后呢，咱们还是正常的站位，让对手发过来的球，我们分两个步骤。我们先把球接进身体，接到证明什么？其实这个是最重要的一个训练环节。其实你能接到球，证明你已经找到了这个点。然后咱们在第二个步骤，再把球通过身体稳定的带出去。大家明白了吗？来，对，所以说我拿第二点接，这个接呢也是有讲究的。这个时候有很多人听完接以后，没有一个细节是什么？他会等球来了，他会主动伸手去对抗抓这个球。啊，尤其是小朋友，他会产生一个抓不到。对，那么所以说大家一定要记住，咱们接这个球要听清楚，是接，不是去对抗。咱们要用身体的感觉踩到点，那比如找到点以后，我用身体接近身体，在身体的三角形范围以内，靠腿带腰、腰带手的一个状态再打过去。所以说对攻，孙教练最开始讲的是什么？乒乓球最难的是控制。那么其实对攻来讲，大家不要看似很轻松，觉得我孙教练是打过去很轻松，只有一个步骤。其实所有的乒乓球技术，咱们从对攻第一点讲起，它是需要两个步骤的。来，我给大家示范一下，它其实是先接入，再给出去。那么你们可以发现，孙教练通过这样的一个有效的方法，我会打到每一个球都非常的标准的落点，可以打上台。对，那么孙教练再用拍子给你们示范一下，体验一下。对，我是先接入再给出去，接入再给出去，接住再给出去，我不会说直接不接我去做动作，所以说很多球友会经常找不到点，所以说这个是一个最关键的一个辅助训练。来，咱们来一个最标准的最后一遍示范。对，先站好位置，屁股理论往后支撑，对，然后先接住走，对， 接住，记住啊，不要去对抗这个球，走。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, pingsunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.